Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2025 BMW G60 5 Series. You're going to have a 16mm bolt in the front here for this brace and an E14 back here. You're going to loosen up both. The E14 is pretty tight, so using an impact would help. The bottom one not so much. Slide that over on top of the engine cover. And then we're going to start by removing the electrical connector here. Remove this tab. Come underneath to unhook the connector and pull it off. You're going to have a 6mm band clamp. And all around the air box, you're going to have T20 screws. Loosen these up, but they won't come off. They're going to stay on the air box. Now you're going to lift up and turn it side to side a little bit to break it loose from the intake pipe. On the back side over here, you're going to have one clamp. Undo this with the panel popper, and that'll release it. Now you can remove the engine air filter, discard it, and look inside to see if there's any debris. This is the part number for the engine air filter from BMW. You're going to install it the same way it came out. Make sure all the grooves fit into their proper spot. And now we're just going to reinstall the cover. Reconnect the clamp here. Plug in the connector. Tighten down the band clamp for the 6mm. And all around the airbox, you're going to tighten down the T20 screws. Bring around the engine brace and tighten these down. That's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the BMW G60 5 Series. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.